From the Oraimo BoomPop 1 to the Oraimo BoomPop 2, then the gesture-packed Oraimo BoomPop 2S. Oraimo has been refining its headphones game. We now have a new guy on the block, the Oraimo BoomPop Lite. I've been testing this guy for the past 7 days, and here is everything you need to know if you're in the market to get one for yourself. Without wasting much of your time, babsomotden here. Let's get down to business. You can get this Oraimo BoomPop Lite here in Nigeria for a budget-friendly price of 30,900 naira, which is equivalent to about $20 as of the time of recording this video. To get it cheaper, all you have to do is to use the discount code BRACKET and you are going to enjoy a 5% discount. This code applies to countries like Ghana, Kenya, Morocco, and Nigeria. In fact, this code works for all Oraimo products, so use it. Thank you. When it comes to the colors, the Oraimo BoomPop Lite is available in 3 sleek color options: the graphite gray, the black color, and the white gold. The white gold is like cream color actually. Here with me, I have the graphite gray, which looks subtle and modern for a techie guy like me. But if you are ordering online, you will most likely get the graphite gray, so don't be surprised if the graphite gray is the only option. Moving over to the unboxing of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, I've already done an extensive unboxing and first impression video. So if you missed that, you can check up there in the card above or down in the description box. I'm not going to be going over that in this video. At the design department of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, Oraimo kept the design simple and stylish. In my first impression video, I said the design is the design fusion of 2 popular headphones, and if you take a closer look at the air cups and the hinges of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, you will immediately notice the inspiration. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it, man. It is primarily plastic built, but they added metallic bands on the headband for easy adjustment, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit on most head sizes. Because of the hinges design, these headphones can be folded up like this and also placed on a flat surface, just like the Oraimo BoomPop 2 and the Oraimo BoomPop 2S. With that being said, don't be careless with these headphones because plastic is still plastic and it can break. So in terms of overall design, I would say Oraimo did well. Speaking of syncing devices, connection on this Oraimo BoomPop Lite is a breeze with its Bluetooth version 5.3. It pairs up quickly with your devices and remains stable within 12 meters range. If there's no device connected to this guy within 10 minutes, it's going to go off, thereby saving you the battery life. It also features SBC and AAC as its audio codecs, which means you can connect any device of your choice to this guy and it will connect without hassle. I've tested it with my iPhone 12 Pro Max and my Samsung S22 Ultra, and it works seamlessly with both devices. So try it out and you'll see for yourself. Before I talk about the battery life, I need to tell you that this Oraimo BoomPop Lite comes with multi-point connection, which means you can connect 2 devices to it simultaneously. For example, your laptop and your phone, or 2 phones at the same time. To enjoy the dual connection feature of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, you need to turn it on in the Oraimo Sound app because by default, it is not turned on. So turn it on before you initiate the connection process of your second device. When it comes to the battery life, expect solid performance with no compromises. The battery capacity of this Oraimo BoomPop Lite is 500 milliamperes, and Oraimo claims that this guy can provide you 65 hours of playback time on a single charge. I'm not sure of what volume setting Oraimo used during their lab test, but here is what I discovered from my own testing. During my testing, I noticed that this Oraimo BoomPop Lite lasted for 71 hours and 40 minutes, almost 3 days of listening to music at 60% volume. With this outstanding performance, I don't think you need to be worrying about running out of power for at least 1 whole week if you're an average user. Oraimo also claims that when this headphones is out of juice and you are in a hurry, you can quickly recharge this guy up in 10 minutes and you're going to get 360 minutes of playback time on the pack. That is what is written on the pack. Another thing was written on the website, which is around 600 minutes. Just ignore that. We'll be talking about the 360 minutes written on the pack. During my testing, I drained this headphone to 0 and charged it up for 10 minutes. At the end of my drain test, this headphone lasted me for 423 minutes listening to music at 60% volume. That is impressive. Now, charging up these headphones from 0 to 100% will only take you 1 hour, 32 minutes using a 20 watts adapter and Type-C charger. The indicator beside the Type-C port will show you a fading when it is charging, and when it is fully charged, it goes off. More on the indicator can be found in the user manual. At this junction, I have to be honest with you. I recently neglected my Oraimo BoomPop 2S for the old Oraimo BoomPop 1, most especially when I'm going to the gym. The reason is because my Oraimo BoomPop 2S have this too much clamping force on my head, and no one in his right senses will want to treat headache at the end of the day, right? So I switched back to my Oraimo BoomPop 1. Now, this sits nicely on my head without too much force, which means it's a little bit loose. And any vigorous shaking is going to send my Oraimo BoomPop 1 flying across the room. But with this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, I got the forces of both worlds. Now, it is not too clumpy and it is not too loose. So this guy actually sits in between both of them. I can say it is almost perfect because it is made for listening for longer hours. These soft PU curves are made for longer listening sections, though they are not the best, but you can be sure that you won't get your ear hot after a few hours. So they were very comfortable in my ears during my testing, and I know you are going to love them too. Well, I have to tell you that active noise cancellation is absent on this guy. So Oraimo actually compensated us with spatial audio, which I'll be discussing shortly. And at this point, I want to believe that Oraimo is already making or cooking another better headphones. And this will be coming with a ton of features. You can guess the name. Just guess. Guess. Let me guess. I guess the name will be Oraimo BoomPop Pro. Yeah, with the Pro name, you know, Pro. I think this will be coming with active noise cancellation, transparency mode, and other amazing features. And I know this will be coming with a higher price tag, just like the Oraimo Spacebot Pro. So Oraimo, we are waiting for the Pro version of the Oraimo BoomPop line. For the controls, it has physical buttons that are intuitive and easy to use. These buttons will let you to skip forward, skip backward, adjust music volume by increasing and decreasing, and even take calls without also. And one thing you should know is that this guy has no gesture control. So no gesture control on the Oraimo BoomPop Lite, and also no SD card slot or TF card slot like the Oraimo BoomPop 1. So those are the two things you are going to be missing on this guy, which is the Oraimo BoomPop Lite. My only complaint about the design of this guy is that the buttons are too flat to the body of the headphones, which could lead to another good ultimate search when you want to control your music quickly. And that is the last thing you want, right? So please, Oraimo, you should try and raise up the button a little bit. So only the power button seems to be easy to locate because it has a slightly raised dot on it. You can sync up this Oraimo BoomPop Lite to your Oraimo Sound app to activate extra features like the spatial audio and the game mode. You can press the mode button or the M button once, and it will summon your Google Assistant if you are using an Android smartphone, or Siri if you are using an iPhone. And when you press the M button twice, it's going to switch between normal mode and game mode. A voice prompt will confirm the present mode you are using. You can also switch between the game mode and the normal mode using the Oraimo Sound app. When it comes to latency, you won't be disappointed. The latency on these headphones is minimal, making them great for casual gaming or watching videos without noticeable delay. But when you are playing first shooting games like PUBG, Call of Duty, Free Fire, games that you need to be there in real time, switching to game mode will be the best option to take, because this will help you to further reduce the latency so that you can win most of your games. But to achieve zero latency while using this Oraimo BoomPop Lite, I would suggest you use this cable, the 3.5 audio jack. Use it, connect it up, and you are good to go. Using the aux cable will help you to bypass Bluetooth delay, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and real-time monitoring on a budget. So I've been using this guy to even edit some of my videos and play games, and I'm not disappointed. On a budget, this guy will give you what you want. Regarding call quality, this Oraimo BoomPop Lite delivers crystal clear audio and is a reliable headphone for everyday conversations. I have used it for multiple calls, including voice and video calls over WhatsApp and regular phone calls, and it performs surprisingly well. Voices come out loud and clear, and the built-in microphone picks up speech accurately without sounding muffled or in a distance. As a matter of fact, this guy is an excellent choice for you if you're in a quiet environment always to make calls or receive calls or do video calls with no distortion whatsoever, no complaint from the other end. This guy is going to serve you well. However, it does pick up some background noises in a noisy settings, and this is expected for a headphone of this price point. So that you should know. So overall, if you need a solid wireless headphone for calls, whether at work, casual chat, or meetings, the Oraimo BoomPop Lite handles it well. One interesting feature on this Oraimo headphone is the spatial audio. When I first saw spatial audio on this guy, I was like, yes, finally, Oraimo has answered us. But I think there is room for improvement in this department. I have to be honest here. During my testing, I switched on the Oraimo spatial audio in the Oraimo Sound app, but it doesn't sound like spatial audio at all. It's more like me being in an echoey room, Instead of me enjoying this 360-degree effect of the feature, it is now like I'm just in an echoey room where I'm hearing multiple noises. Like, I don't know, it's not multiple noises, like I'm hearing like reverb, echo of what I've heard. So it's more distracting, so I switch it off. I think that should be something Oraimo should work on when they are making another iPhone with spatial audio. That is just one place I think Oraimo should work on. Now, there is no IP rating on this guy, and I know few drops of sweat because I've been using my Oraimo BoomPop 1, BoomPop 2, BoomPop 2S. I've been taking them to gym. I've been sweating on it. No issue whatsoever. That shouldn't harm your headphones. But if you have water splashes or heavy rainfall, please, if you can still save it, just save it. Store it in a cold, dry place. Don't immerse it in water. Don't put anything like water beside this guy, because once water gets into the component, it's likely to ruin it. The BoomPop Lite shines in the sound quality department. This is made possible by the 40mm drivers in them, which emit decent bass, clear mids, and crisp highs, making them perfect for everyday listening. You're not going to miss anything much if you are users of BoomPop 1, BoomPop 2, or BoomPop 2S. No, nothing much. You are still going to get similar sound profile from this guy. For me, I have not tweaked my headphones since I've started using it. And if you want to tweak it, like you don't like the sound quality, the default sound quality, you can use the Oraimo Sound app to do that. So you can tweak it to your own taste. And remember to listen to music or songs on medium or low volume, at medium or low volumes, please. I don't want you to have hear issues or problem. I'm just saying this so that you can know. This might not be everyone's call, but if you like the Oraimo BoomPop 1 like me, then you are definitely going to love this Oraimo BoomPop Lite. For the price, I won't complain much, and I will recommend this for podcast listeners, music lovers, and even film enthusiasts. So get one today from Oraimo eShop website and use the discount code bracket, and you are going to enjoy 5% discount off. Also subscribe to the channel if you are new here and click the notification bell also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching other videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.